is that tell us that we need to ensure that all arms that need to be part of tourism are well aware and abreast of the potentials that is abound in tourism and tourism. So the Lagos State government has chosen to develop, to ensure that every practitioner is part of this development. All the agencies that need to have a formulation, that need to formulate whatever law to support tourism in Lagos State are of what they need to do to ensure that we have the best tourism destination in Lagos State, and to ensure that we have our community development tourism. And that is all what Lagos State government has been standing for, even before this team, for this year's celebration. So I'm happy and delighted that what the team is telling us, what Lagos State government has been doing, even ever before they brought this team to the front corner. So what we are having today is to bring the other MDs like the education, youth, wealth creation, and all that security and the transportation, which is very key, because tourism is about moving from one end of the state to another, and to have an experience that will give them the hope to go back to the other terminal. Those are the things we've been trying to do, and they are all here, and we have our lead speaker in person of Dr. Admin Okupe, which we believe will do justice to the themes of this event.
Okay, so now, but going forward, what is the message to Lagosians as we mark World Tourism Day today? The year of tourism.
I want to implore, most especially the journalists, that the way we print our state and our nation, we need to change the narrative. There's so much potential, and people get scared the way we present the other side about the nation to the public, and we deprive the tourism enthusiasts to actually have the capacity, the inbuilt to actually move from one place to another. But by the time we're able to capture the beauty of Lagos, like many people come into Lagos and say, oh, we never knew it's as beautiful as this. They only hear the negative side of the story, which most of the time might be very, very minor. But the way we present it to the public might give them the kind of reaction that will not allow them to actually get to understand the beauty of tourism. So I want to implore that we should put the right picture to the public at all times, so people can actually enjoy what Lagos State government is doing in terms of tourism.
Thank you very much.